Hi guys, these cool mechanical toy videos are attracting people's attention in social media platforms. A lot of people are curious if they are real. Actually, they are created using AI. In this video, I will show you how to make them yourself. Step 1. Prompt. Use the prompt put in the description and paste it in ChatGPT like this. Then press enter. ChatGPT will then give us 10 ideas of the objects the toy would transforms into. You may also specify your own idea in the dialogue. In this case, I am using the mini mechanical phoenix as an example. And there we have the text to image and image to video prompt. Step 2. Generate images. Now we want to use HitPaw Photopea for image generation. You can find the official access link in the description. Click on the chat to image function. Copy the text to image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here. Use the image generation mode. Press enter. Within seconds, we have this cool mechanical phoenix toy image. Step 3. Generate videos. Next, we are using HitPaw VicP for video generation. Click on AI Video Generator. Choose Image to Video. I would recommend using the CDance 2.0 model as it provides best video performance. Then import the image we created just now as the first frame. Similar with the previous step, we paste the video prompt here. Then you may customize the duration, resolution, and aspect ratio. And simply click on Generate. When it's completed, we have this amazing mechanical toy transformation video. Alright, that's the tutorial for this video. Hope it helps. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more AI contents and tips. Thanks for watching. See you next time.